Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is Bootstrap framework. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Bootstrap is one of the most very commonly used front-end framework that is free to download and use. There are so many developers, web designers are utilizing the use of Bootstrap. So what is Bootstrap framework? Bootstrap is a popular open source front-end framework used for developing responsive and mobile-first websites. It provides a collection of pre-designed HTML, CSS, and JavaScript components such as buttons, forms, modals, and navigational bars, making web development faster and more efficient. Now, let's talk about key features of Bootstrap. First, we have here responsive grid system. Uses a flexible 12-column layout for building responsive web pages. Second, pre-styled components includes ready-made UI components like buttons, cards, alerts, and forms. Third, CSS and JavaScript utilities offers built-in classes for styling elements easily. Fourth, mobile-first design ensures web applications look good on all devices from smartphones to desktops. Fifth, customization allows modification of style using SAS variables. Six, cross-browser compatibility works consistently across different web browser. And lastly, JavaScript plugins includes interactive features like carousels, modals, tooltips, and popovers. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is Bootstrap framework is all about. A very good, easy to use framework for front-end development. Thank you so much for listening and watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.